Hi everyone, Questions with Krista, and this is one of my favorite things to do. So if you've got questions, they're from real live people, just comment below so we can actually answer them just like we're doing right now. This first question is from Susan M, and she says, I recently started advertising on Facebook, and I keep hearing you talk about retargeting ads. Can you explain what this is and how to do it? And what should my budget be to do this? Now here's the deal, Susan. I can't tell you exactly how to do retargeting ads, obvious on this video. There's a lot of training that gets involved in that, but here's what retargeting is, and here's more importantly why it's so important. Retargeting is when you actually will show your ad to certain people, okay, and they'll see it and they'll interact with it and they'll engage with it. Maybe you can tell they've watched 25% of a video that you've done. Maybe they've downloaded something. Maybe you've taken them to a website or to a landing page or to a specific lead magnet, and they've gone there and they've taken some action. They've interacted with you in some way. Retargeting is when you say, okay, Facebook, this group of people already took action. They did X. Maybe they, like I said, watched the video. I want you to retarget them again, meaning show my ad again to those people. I want you to follow them and put my information in front of them for a second time or a third time or a fourth time. That's how you start to build brand awareness and trust, and that's how you give people more of what they want. Think about this. Whenever you go shopping online, and let's just say maybe you go and you're looking for golf clubs, or maybe you're going to go buy a nice Gucci purse, and then all of a sudden you start seeing Gucci purses follow you all over the internet when you're online. That's exactly what retargeting is. Facebook is putting your content in front of people that have already taken some action and interacted with you. Now, why is this important? Because this is how you start to develop your brand, number one, right? And they start to get to know you and to like you and to see you as the authority figure. And they start to develop a relationship with you also. They start to get to know you, like you, trust you, and see you as the authority figure. And also why it's so important is because you're putting information in front of somebody based upon something they already did. You're putting similar information and content in front of them. Now, why is this important? Research shows that the more that our content actually speaks the language of somebody, it's meeting a certain need, or it's talking directly to a certain type of person, they're more likely to convert. Remember, marketing is attraction. Marketing isn't your brand, or your branding is your brand, right? Your brand is your colors and your logos and your slogan and all that great stuff. That's not marketing. That's your brand. Marketing is when you actually speak, your content speaks to the needs of a consumer so much so that they raise their hand and they say, I want more of what you have. It's so important in marketing. When you actually give the consumer more of what they want, more of what they're interested in, more of something that speaks their language, the more likely you're going to convert. Krista Mashore here with Krista Mashore Coaching, and as always, everybody, make it a great day. Can't wait to hear from you. Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free, and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.